best phone under $300, without much competition, is Motorola's Moto G6. And to make it all better, it costs only $250. The Moto G6 looks and feels like a phone twice its price. It has a bright, clear and colorful 5.7-inch screen that fills most of the front of the phone. And despite its large screen size, the G6 still feels relatively thin, small and easy to hold. The G6 is also nice to use. In my tests, performance was never a problem. Many phones in this price range stammered at times, particularly when scrolling through applications, and their battery lasted easily for a whole day. The phone includes the latest version of Android Oreo, and promised an update to Android P as well. Motorola only makes some adjustments, mostly useful, for Android, so the experience here is clean and familiar. Motorola includes some other important features that are not necessarily standard: a headphone jack, a fingerprint sensor and a USB-C port for charging, which is easier to use than the micro USB. The phone is also available unlocked and works in all major EE operators. One thing would have been nice to see that Motorola add is NFC, for mobile payments. That's not a big loss in the US but they are used much more in many parts of the world. And in fact, the European phone model includes it,